What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create an anchor navigation, a jumps to section. For example, if I go to the Enzo WordPress theme page into visualmodo.com and click on templates, I'm gonna be redirected to the template section into the same page. If I click on buy now, I'm gonna be redirected to the pricing page into the same page, okay, to the pricing section to the same page. How to create this anchor navigation is what I'm gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to edit with Elementor page, okay, it's gonna open the Elementor editor. Now, you're gonna need to learn what you need to do. You need to have this in mind. For example, in my case, I would like to create a new button right here into the section to, for example, link to the features section. Okay, so a button that's gonna be placed right here into the first section that's gonna link to this place right here. Okay, the elements section. How to do this? First, I need to enter a button, okay? So I can go to a previously made button, just like this. And I can clone the button. I can duplicate, for example. Then I'm gonna click into the new button. Change the option. Change the label text. Just like this. And now there is a link section. You are gonna be empty. You're gonna need to type the anchor name. In my case, it's gonna be elements features. Okay, this is very important because you can have another link with this part right here. So I recommend that you use two labels, hashtag one and another. Okay, just like this. Here is one example, elements. Now I'm gonna move to the elements section that I would like to anchor. In my case, it's gonna be right here. And I'm gonna click on edit section, just like this. Then review the left sidebar of menus, layout style, advanced, click on advanced, and on CSS ID, you're gonna enter the same title but without the hashtag, just like this, okay? This is very important, okay? Now, let's preview the results. Here's our new button. If I click, I'm gonna be redirected to the other section of the page. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!